Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by softening the adhesive so removal is controlled. Apply a small amount of solvent to a microfiber, then dab the glue edge. Avoid pouring directly. Let the solvent soak for about 60 seconds so the bond weakens without harming the dash. While waiting, position your plastic scraper at a low angle to avoid gouging. Once the glue yields, gently push the scraper underneath and pry in short, progressive strokes to lift softened material rather than tearing it. Now you move into steady removal. Work a 6/8-inch section at a time and reapply solvent sparingly when the edge firms up. Use a plastic scraper and a dental pick if needed to tease glue off without damaging texture. If tiny spots remain, a single-edge razor held flat can be used with extreme care and light strokes, only when plastic tools fail. After each pass, wipe with a clean microfiber to remove dissolved adhesive and inspect for film or staining. Finish by removing solvent traces so no residue attracts dust. Wipe the area with isopropyl, then wash gently with mild soap and water, drying thoroughly. Apply a vinyl or plastic protectant to restore sheen and protect against UV degradation. If the glue resists, apply low heat. Keep the heat gun moving at 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and continue gentle scraping. Do not overheat. If you see discoloration or texture damage, stop and consult a professional to avoid worsening the dash.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.